Hi guys, it's your girl Chloe, and I haven't been doing a video lately, so I came up with the perfect video to do. I'm teaching you guys how to draw, and I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a dog, because it's very simple, but you just have to listen. These are only things you gotta do. Listen, pay attention, and draw carefully. Take your time, and most of all, fix your mistakes. So that's all you have to do. So let's get started with the video. First, I have to go get the stuff, so I'll be right back. So bye. Oh, I'm saying bye, you guys. I'll be right back. And I'm back, you guys. So you can use pencil, pen, or marker, or crayon. But I prefer to use pencil so I can erase my mistakes. So you will just need paper and everything you need to use to draw. So I'm gonna let you So first you want to draw a white C. So let me draw my white C. Like this. Then you're gonna start. Then you're gonna start from right. Then you're gonna start. Oh, you guys, I'm sitting on the couch, so that's kind of hard. I want to go to the table because my tablet is charging. Because I actually have a camera, I use my tablet. So then you want to make. Then you're going to make a line right here. And do like that. See? Like that.